How to get Epic Games Launcher on school Chromebook. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to get the Epic Games Launcher into your Chromebook. What you need to do is open your browser. On your browser, you just need to search into uptodown.com. When you click on up to down, you click on the first site that will show. When you click on it, you will be routed into this page. Just need to wait for it to load up. And here, what you need to do is on the search bar, you need to search for Epic Games Launcher. Once you search for Epic Games, you need to click on the Epic Games Store Launcher. That's the first option on the top left. When you click on it, all you have to do is click on the latest version, and that will be downloaded into your school Chromebook. And what you need to do as well is that you can need to search for Solid Launcher as well. You need to download this in order for the Epic Games Launcher to work into your Chromebook. So you just need to click on download APK, and you just wait for it to download, and there, once everything is ready, you have the Epic Game Store Launcher and the Solid Launcher. You will definitely be able to access that here. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.